Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Casca and I like to make things. This is just going to be a short video to introduce you to the channel and show you the kind of things that I like to make. I'm an historical costumer who loves all things Victorian. I love corsetry and having a bit of fun with mixing historical and vintage or experimenting with fun fabrics. I like to dabble in all crafts, not just making clothes. I am a very proud multi-crafter. If there's one thing above all that I can't get enough of though, it's doing historical inspired cosplays. They're just so much fun. Sometimes things go well. I absolutely love this outfit. Sometimes things go bad. I have spent the night unpicking massive sections that got caught up while I was sewing. Okay, so I made a mistake. But most importantly, it's all a bit of fun.